What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast, Nico with Mario and Grem. But first of all, before we proceed, please join our Facebook group, 6 Man Podcast dash Bench Mob. I think we're already at 2K or close to 2K. So hopefully you guys could join. Let's get to our next goal, which is of 5,000. Then we'll give away when we reach 5K. No, na joiners or what do you
Members.
members in our Facebook group. And after that, congratulations to Barangay Nebra Game 7 win against the TNT Tropang 5G. Coming down. They were down 7 entering the half. And the shots just went in the second half. They got not just the shots, the stops also. I also remember that Nards Pinto corner 3 while RJ was in the bench for 3 minutes because of a flagrant one. And finally, no, after 7 conferences, you guys got your championship as massive fans of the team.
Oh.
Yeah. Go, no, no,
Oh,
no.
oh,
I have
oh.
no props, bro. I told you they don't deserve it after game 6.
I
I
thought
have
you
no
were I
props.
thought you were coughing.
Nothing's coming. No,
I
may
thought there
sakit
was
ako, bro.
something in it.
I'm sick. I was sick of them in game 6, but I'm happier now. But go ahead, brother.
I thought there was something in your throat na natira. So you had to remove. But oh man, dude, what a game 7, man. Props to TNT for a really amazing series. Like a series na it was so fun to watch as a fan of Ginebra, as a supporter of Ginebra, as a PBA fan. Man, you would love this series talaga na talagang bakbakan siya. There was drama, literally. There was drama today, man. Tim Cohen was on the floor for a bit, which I did.
Yan, nakita ko rin yun. Sabi ko, oh, he's pulling a coach shot, ah.
Bro, so bro, na confused. I was like, what? Is he on the floor? And then when they turned the camera, Japet was on the floor. And then Japet was standing up again. So I don't really know what happened nung time
No,
na
may
yun.
context yun,
Tapos,
may context.
I don't know, man. And then of course, when C-Mac was picking up fouls and Pugoy was picking up fouls, of course, same old antics and everything. But man, it's hard to say a deserved championship, but it is a championship that they won. And parang iba yung emotion nila in this series. JB was crying a while ago after the game, during his speech. And I remember I saw this post or this comment or it's one of the, by the way, sa mga nagpo-post sa group namin, yeah, tama, namin, I'm not sure, sorry. Sa mga nagpo-post and they haven't been approved yet, please give us some time, man. There's almost 50 or 70 posts na pending. So, we'll approve some and not approve others. But yeah, man, you can't say anything else from Justin Brownlee. 30 points. He did not have a bad game in this series at all. Not a single bad game from him. Uh, and I will shout out the guy who I believe won them this game. I believe it was Nards Pinto. My God, man. The one guy who wanted to defend Jordan Henry tonight. There, there was one guy who wanted to defend Jordan Henry, and it was Nards. He hit a three-pointer which was massive in the wing. Tapos yung the three-pointer that felt like the championship was theirs was that corner three in the right at the moment when when RJ was about to take him out. He hit that massive corner three. And it feels so good. It probably feels so good for Nards because minutes haven't been there. The rotation's been short. He's barely been used. Pero man, when he's been used, he's been good. And all credit, I will give credit to Coach Tim, even if I still don't understand um the 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 infatuation with Stephen Holt sometimes. He pushed the right buttons at certain moments tonight. The double big lineup, I liked it, but then he went away from it and then he went back to it. Putting in Nards, barely using Ralph, barely using Maya. Like he pushed most of the right buttons tonight. So yeah, go ahead.
Couple of things, no? Excuse me. Yung kay Japet kasi, bro, I think natamaan siya and Coach Tim was telling him na tumumba ka. So he was demonstrating na dapat
Tumba.
Jack tumumba ka para i-review siya ng referees for
Actually,
a
tama nga
possible,
naman,
you
tama
know,
nga naman.
second motion or
Nakakatawa lang
flagrant.
makita.
Diba? I mean, that's why Nards Pinto is always on the floor. That's why Cliff Hodge is always on the floor. Calvin Abueva is always on the floor. Kasi when you fall down or when you lie on the court, 'di ba? I-review ng referee, bakit ka nakahiga diyan, 'di ba? So that's what Coach Tim was doing. On the Ginebra side, man, I'm emotional, bro. My goat was crying earlier. I don't know why. If it's his last year with us, it doesn't feel like it. It doesn't look like it. Pero first time ko nakita si Brownlee na umiiyak after championship. Of all the championships that they have won. But you're right, Mario. I don't know what's going on with Ginebra. Something worked. You pulled out of it. You tried it again. It worked again, and then you pulled out of it again. Like, hey, what's that? Are we experimenting? Is this science project? What's going on? You're playing with your feelings in a game 7. I mean, Japet and Troy worked together, di ba? Hindi makaporma si Simak. BGR was hurt, so he cannot
Pilit
really
lang
move
rin yun.
laterally.
BGR and Calvin. Parang sige,
bro,
game 7, laban.
He did
Yeah, I
an
respect
Anthony
that,
Davis. He did an Anthony Davis in Game 6 against Phoenix na hindi talaga makagalaw, di ba?
Oo, ano lang yan. Talagang
pero
lalabas
pinilit
lang just
talaga
for the
nila.
sake. Oo.
I mean, bro, feeling ko, hindi dapat palalarin si BGR kundi flagrant si Kelly in the first 20
First quarter.
seconds. Oo, feeling ko hindi
Same.
dapat lalaruin.
Napilitan.
Pero wala ka nang hugutin. But I mean, you could pull Justin Chu, if I'm not...
Galinato's right there.
If I'm being serious. Yeah, Galinato was right
Pero
there.
si Galinato,
But,
those two could be okay.
Di ko
Going back to
did you call
Ginebra.
him Alec Galinato?
No, ano Alec Galinato?
No. Graham, what did you his name? Did you say
I
Alec
did.
Galinato?
Wala ko narinig na Alec.
Oh, I heard Alec Galinato.
You're hearing ghosts, man.
Man,
You're
don't
hearing
say that.
ghosts.
I'm scared of those things, man. Don't do that.
But
Don't do
bro,
that.
in the championship game, Mario, we were just one game late. It was Scottie Thompson talaga who, in the end, siya pa rin talaga yung tawag
Is it his team? Is it RJ's team? Is it Scotty's team? What's up?
It's RJ's team. It's RJ's
still
team.
RJ's team.
It is
Okay.
RJ's team. At this point, it's RJ. I get flip-flop, man. I get hindi ko pwede gawin yan,
Speaking
but-
of RJ though, brother, the dagger, I think that was him, right? And let's be real. Let's be honest. We were hating on Holt the whole series. But he had, I think, 3 offensive rebounds in this game. Dun sa fourth quarter stretch.
May mga
Na-
crucial na siya. May
Yeah.
mga crucial plays naman talaga si Stephen Hott.
Actually, I'm trying to remember. He got the offensive rebound, which led to the 3-pointer of RJ. Then he got the offensive rebound, which led to the layup of Scotty dun para maging 10 points. So, honestly, man, I'm still not happy with you, Stephen Holt, and
I think no one is. Di ba pati sa mga group
yeah,
natin
but
eh.
dude, those rebounds at the end, I think were like really big time talaga for Ginebra.
Yeah, you're right, man. Sabi ni Coach Tim, di ba, hindi lang naman offense yung contribute ni Steven Holt. I mean, he was not even contributing on defense, if I'm being honest with you. Pero, di ba, in the end, yung 2 rebound niya, malaki nga. But, I want to go back to Scotty, man. Yung pag nasasaktan siya, parang mas gumagaling siya. Remember yung bukol niya against Ross? Tapos naka 4 points siya.
Yeah.
Di ba? Tapos, after that, yung ngayon, yung natamaan siya ni Kelly Williams, which I really thought na dadalhin siya sa ospital, you know? Na, it's
He couldn't open
dumudugo
his
talaga
eyes for his
Diba?
eye for me, right? Yeah.
Dapat tinatahi yung mga ganun, but, yeah, he
Parang
was
it was
brave
a bit
enough na
small na hindi
labanan.
pa siya matahi. It wasn't that big enough. Kaya parang alangan. Di ba hindi kasi usually kung big cut yan, tinatahi
To be
na agad
fair,
eh.
Nico would know. I think he's the only one who's had like literal stitches between the 3 of us, man.
Yeah.
Pero bro, putya, maano yun, pag natuluan ng pawis yun, mapdi yun ha. Kasi sugat yun eh.
May
di ba?
adrenaline bro,
Yeah.
adrenaline rin yun.
Yeah,
yun.
that's
At hindi siya ganun
adrenaline.
kalaki. Hindi siya ganun kalaki.
Diba?
At the
Bro,
very
do you
least,
really
yun,
think-
black ayun.
Do you really think that the Pawis is gonna the sting of Pawis is gonna stop Scotty from playing in Game 7?
Bagay. I mean, yung sapatos nga ni Clarito, hindi siya
Yeah,
napili.
hindi nga
Iba actually. Tapos nawala
Bro,
the next game, di ba? Parang baliwala eh.
Yung bukol na kasi laki ng baseball, kinaya niya.
Oo. Tapos nawala agad, di ba, the day
Oo,
after.
naglaro na siya after.
Pero bro,
May camera touch
yung
din yan, man.
pace setter talaga siya, bro. He barely missed 7 of 11, di ba? He had 2 3-pointers. Pero look at the plus minus, bro. Plus 21. So,
Yeah.
I was really, really far from the Scotty of Game 6 na talagang walang-wala. How many did he score? 3 nung Game 6? So, in the end, it's RJ's team. For me, I'll stay on that boat. Pero, it's something na when it's winning time, I still trust Scotty more, you know? Parang first 46 minutes of the game, give me LeBron. Last 2 minutes of the game, give me Kobe. Parang ganun. So, I have the same mentality when it comes to Scotty and RJ. Pero I'm happy that they were able to do it despite having 4 guys on the court. Most of the time, Steven Holt played 39 minutes and only scored. Actually, he didn't score a thing. Okay, he didn't make a basket. Missed his 2 free throws. Missed his 3-pointers. Had
Bro,
some
yung
air
ano,
balls. You know,
alam
yung
mo yung
sobrang
airball
lakas.
sa point corner. Sabi ko, puto.
Ano siya? The only shot na shoot niya, hindi pa counted, di ba? So he was really unlucky. But you know, you're forgiven, man. Justin Brownlee, he got 1 second more of a rest. Ha? Last game he rested for 21 seconds. Now 22. So at least makakapagpahinga ka. But bro, in a week, was that in a week, right? In a week, you'll be sorry, in a month. In about a month, you'll be back as the reinforcement for the Governor's Cup. But I'm so happy. I thought Troy Rosario should have won the Finals MVP. Mario, you were in the same boat. He was great. Japet was great din. And yeah, yun nga, si Nards sobrang tapang. Bro, nakakatawa nung fourth quarter, nung pinasok na ulit si RJ. Akala si Steven Holt yung papalitan, di ba? So nagsigawan yung mga tao. It was both a cheer for RJ and na-relieve sila na wala na si Steven. Yay! So wala na Steven Holt. Tapos biglang Steven Holt for Nards Pinto. My
Actually. Nakita, alala ko yun. Yeah.
It always
Yeah.
happens in every Ginebra championship. There's that one game where the guy who shouldn't be making shots is making shots. Diba? The Meralco one, if I remember it correctly, that was the JJ Helter brand.
yung birthday game.
Yung birthday game ni JJ. Dun sa TNT bubble, I think it was Prince Caperal.
Prince Caperal.
I don't know. There was a Prince
Ako yung
Caperal.
Prince Caperal na yan, ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
There were
I
Jeff
will
Chan
never-
games when Jeff Chan was there, di ba?
Yeah. Jeff Chan games, may Chris Ellis games, may mga ganun eh. Diba? Tapos yung mga, that's when they win championships. When they have that random guy who will make 3 baskets which shouldn't go in, but they do. And that's what Nards did, man. And I don't think Ginebra wins this game if Nards doesn't do that.
Bro, kasi nagpe-press na yung TNT, 4-point game na lang yun eh, di ba? With about, 2.5 minutes remaining. Tapos biglang si Nards nakabanat ng tres. Parang dun sumara talaga yung, I mean, pun intended, yung pinto for TNT. Kasi, it was really a dagger from Nards Pinto na parang lumaylay talaga yung balikat nila. Kasi, you know, parang last stretch na ng comeback nila yun and then Ginebra was able to capitalize. So,
It was yung they
my
were down,
goodness.
TNT was down 3, tapos nakatres siya. Yung 4, yung down 4, tapos nakatres si RJ yun.
Hindi,
down,
yung up 4 sila, tapos nakatres si Nards, that puts them up 7. Yun eh, sa corner. Ay, sorry, yun dun sa right side. Yun yung
Hindi,
thing
man.
ni Nards.
no,
Or
no.
left side. I can't remember.
Si
Diba?
RJ yung naka-7, bro. Si RJ, sure ako si RJ.
Si RJ ba yung naka-7? Okay. But still,
Si Nards yung
big shots.
naka-6.
Big shots from Nards Pinto. Pero bro, Coach Tim, you got away with this. You won your 26th championship. Pero you were still out-coached by Coach Chot. Right? Kasi, walang Castro, BGR was invisible. Oftana was not dangerous at all. C-Mac played with 5 fouls. And as we move on to TNT, and they were still there. They were still leading you by 9 points in the second quarter. And everyone thought, Mario and I included, na parang, we really are their Sansa. We really are their dada, you know?
Yeah. Man, TNT, Jordan Heading, when he is Jordan Heading, is just a really good basketball player. Nadagdag na rin niya talaga yung pull-up 3. Di ba dati kasi medyo spot-up na yun yung sure ball niya ngayon. Medyo sure ball na rin yung off the dribble niya. So, Pogoy had a good game as well. But CMAC, I believe TNT lost this game. It's so funny because I believe well, number one, Team CMAC had 5 fouls. I will say, I believe may isa o dalawa dun na medyo manipis.
Yung illegal pick.
That was
Yeah. That
Napakanta
wasn't
ka
an
dun, ah.
illegal pick, man. That wasn't an illegal.
That was an illegal
That was an
pick.
illegal
Come
pick.
on. Pero I forgot which quarter it was na may mga isa o dalawa na manipis na tawag. And I was like, oh really? Tinatawagan natin yan. And at that point, di na siya pumapasa ng bola eh. Di na siya namamasa nun. When he got 5 fouls, every time he touched the ball, it was, I'm going to the rim to score, I'm gonna pull up for 3. Yan yung isang, there was one play na medyo malaking bagay if you ask me. There was a play that TNT was down 3. I think this was before the Nards. TNT was down 3. They just forced Ginebra to miss. Tapos si McCullough forced up a 3 na natapik ni Brownlee. And then, dyan naka-convert yung Ginebra. I believe when he got called for his 5th foul, medyo it kinda messed with his head a little bit. He started being a little too forceful with it. And it doesn't help that he missed 4 straight free throws. Laking bagay nun, man. 4 straight free throws yung namintis niya. Tapos he made one, missed another
Comment
one.
nga sila dun, diba? Yung mga commentators. Like, wow!
Yeah. Bro, people are gonna say nabenta si CMAC and everything. I'm not surprised that people are gonna say that. He came from Taiwan. Taiwan is very known for that.
Just
So,
going straight out there, huh? Just going straight out there.
I'm not gonna lie. But then I doubt naman na ibibenta ni CMAC yung Game 7, man. Especially na you don't benta a game when you are if you wanna benta a game, hindi mo titirahan si RJ sa mid-range sa buong second quarter, di ba? So, I don't think benta naman yun, but he's a good import. There's no denying he's a good import. I don't know if he fits the height requirement for next conference, but I do know na if he does, he should be back.
Si Mac?
Yeah, si Mac. I'm not sure how tall he is.
Oh. No,
6'10".
Di siya
Di siya abot, Darius
6'6"
Days
lang
na.
yun eh.
Mario,
Ako nga pala
it's
si
Darius
Darius.
Days.
Darius Days.
So yeah, dude, like TNT, I believe they're about to ship Nambatak out. I feel like this is one of the last games you see Ray Nambatak. Not the same Ray Nambatak we saw in last year's finals. Last conference's final. Last time they faced each other. Yung huling Nambatak na nakita natin sa finals, man, good luck. Ginebra was having a hard. He won finals MVP if I'm remembering it correctly. So yeah, I think he might be on his way out of TNT after this one. For Calvin, BGR, they have to get healthy. Malaking bagay na wala sa Jason Castro as well. But your core is there talaga. Jordan Heading is a superstar. RR Pogoy is still a great basketball player. I thought Kim Maudin was going to be the last one of the day in that second quarter. And then, you still didn't have Poy Aram. Tapos, let's be honest, man. The upcoming draft, which we also have a separate video on coming out soon. I think in 2 days or whatever. They'll for sure get somebody good in there. So yeah, good conference from TNT, but a really hard fought Game 7 win from Ginebra.
Yeah, bro, they're better than us talaga.
Iba yung depth. Iba talaga yung depth.
They're better than us.
At injured pa si na Calvin na yun, ha?
Hey, I don't care
injured
if
si
you say they're
Calvin.
better than us, man. Not
Pero
for this
you deserved it naman tonight, eh. You just took
tonight,
advantage, eh.
tonight.
Not this conference, man.
Yeah. Tonight we
then-
were.
Yeah, you lose, you
Tonight we
lose.
were.
You're not the better
Pero-
team if you lose if you aren't the champions. I don't
Yeah, I
care.
know. Pero they're better than us. It shows that we have to have 3 players down for them na ano. I mean, that's technically their starting second unit point guard, starting center, starting small forward for us to even have a chance against them. And it still took us 7. Di pwede sabihin bigayan, bro. Kaaban to eh, di ba? MVP versus SMC. So, we are we are the inferior team, pero with Brownlee talagang wala akong kinatatakutan. We defeated the Bay Area team, we defeated multiple San Miguel teams with different imports, Meralco teams, and now natalo na natin finally yung TNT. Albeit still iba pa rin ko si RHJ yun, di ba? RHJ do you think RJ would have let Brownlee score 50 on back-to-back games? Probably not even on one of those games. So, iba pa rin pag yun sila nabuo. But, the reality is, they didn't have much time with CMAC. Kasi if si CMAC na-import nila agad, or if hindi na-injure si Bol Bol, I don't think we would have won the championship, man. Kasi, iba yung, remember, the only time we played Bol Bol, no team wanted to win. Sean Kitevis had a lot of minutes. Kevin Ferreira had a lot of minutes. Diba? Kay Mark Carino was hitting shots. But the only time we beat them with Bol Bol. So, it is something na we still have to develop. Pero, TNT, bro, they're really solid. They're really solid. Pag nawala yung San Miguel, it's really their league. You know? Parang...
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This is not the version of you I expected to see tonight.
Oh, disappointed si Graham,
No,
to be honest. Hindi siya,
No,
I would expect my brief, mag-expect ako ng cake.
I
Bro.
told you, bro, yung game 6 talaga sobrang
I think you're
impact
just
naman.
distraught dahil nandun ka nung game 6. But
No, I mean, kasi
I
bro,
feel like you're downplaying this game a little too much, man. I'm not gonna lie.
no,
man.
it's not. I mean, still, I'm telling you, di ba? We won. It wasn't a comfortable win. We still had to parang kunin sa kanila. I get it, champion team yung TNT, but bro, virtually no Oftana, virtually no BGR, and literally no Castro. And then, hirap na hirap ka pa rin in the end. It took you a Nards Pinto 3, an outing from Scotty Thompson, and, you know, Japet not hurting you, and a good game from Troy para kunin sa TNT yung championship. I believe, bro, na a couple of fouls from CMAC, especially yung last talaga, illegal pick. That was an illegal pick for me, but it is what it is. Yun talaga yung nagdikta ng laro. I mean, from that point, it was, we know na pwede nang umalago yung Nebra dito. So, all credits to TNT. They're, what's that? 617 fans rooting for them inside the arena. You all had your money's worth. I hope you didn't pay scalper prices. But congrats to Ginebra, bro. I'm emotional, I'm happy, but I'm sick and I'm tired. But, you know, 2 wins for me today. Ginebra won the championship, and this is my last day with my current job. So, you know, I mean,
Congrats.
yeah, I can now rest. Not in peace. But, bro, I want to talk about these scalpers, man. What's going on with these scalpers? So,
Man.
ako want to ticket ng mga to, brother.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm like I said, not the version of you I was expecting in this video. But I guess you're just
Caught you off guard, ah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm genuinely caught off guard that I was expecting him to be a lot more dubious. But I get where I guess the scalper thing is annoying.
was.
Sadly, it's something that we've always had to deal with, so I'm not really that surprised by it. But yeah, nonetheless, man. For Ginebra, people will say, no, walang Oftana, walang BGR, walang Castro. Brother, you have to play who you have.
Yeah, whoever's in front of you. So might as well,
You have to
diba?
play whoever's in front of you. Wala kang magagawa.
Hindi,
well,
bawian sa Governor's Cup. Diba?
Okay.
Well,
Here's
well,
another thing. I want to
Pero
talk about
mukhang-
the scalpers thing talaga, bro. Pero here's another thing. Is it now valid to say that if Troy Rosario was not hurt last year, you would have defeated them with RHJ?
No, I still say no.
He's not that good.
It's his as compared to an Oftana, BGR, Castro.
RSJ?
3-1. You're telling it's 3-1.
I think you're overhyping Troy,
Took them
Graham.
7 games to beat us with an injured Troy.
And it took us 7 games to beat them with an injured BGR of Tana and Castro. What are you doing?
Parang quits lang. Nag-quits lang.
Alright.
Nobody's discrediting TNT's championship last year, man. Like
And
they had to,
hey, I think you keep on forgetting wala pa si Heading last season.
sure. I don't know what they're trying to prove here.
That
So,
with Troy healthy last year, we would have beaten them.
okay, my point is still the same. You play who's in front of you, and that's what Ginebra did. So I don't care if Oftana didn't play. I don't care if BGR didn't play. I don't care if Castro didn't play. It's like asking, oh, dude, we're not playing our three of our starters, man. Can you take it easy on us? That's stupid. So in any scenario, Ginebra deserved it. May have taken them 7, could have taken them 8. I don't really care. They have to play who's in front of them. So yeah.
Yeah, this series deserved to have gone to 7, bro. Parang yung huling piga, kung sino yung mas meron pang mapipiga, di ba? And it ended up being Coach Tim na, I mean, really, outside of Game 3 na naka-triple-double si Scotty, this was the only game na maganda yung nilaro niya. And in the end, hindi maganda yung nilaro masyado ni RR Pogoy. What do you have? He only had 15 tonight. He wasn't impactful. But bro, we talk about si Holt being gone. Dre ng Batak is gone. That guy's gonna be shipped. You know, wala talaga kaposisyon niya si heading di ba? And when it matters most, I think ng Batak has to be though. No, I know you said it, bro. I know you said it. But all I'm saying is there has to be a way na i-expose ulit si Ray ng Batak to play winning basketball. That's all I'm saying. I get
siya
na sinabi
happy.
mo na siya kanina, but
Sad ka
it
ba
has
na?
to
Alis
be
ka sa work mo?
reiterated.
Kala ko ba?
No, I'm not.
Dapat
I'm not sad at all. I'm not sad at all. The only
So
thing
this is the most, bro. When Ginebra won Game 4, 5,
Yun yung pinakamasaya niya no?
you had a goat mask on, you had the brief up,
Itong
and
Game
then when
7
they
lang.
win the championship,
So, NLEX fan ka na ba, Graham? Kaya ganito.
dude is all of a
boy.
shit.
He's
There
now
are
moving on
losses
to
na
NLEX.
there
Are
are
you in
losses
church
na
right now, man? What's happening?
No, bro, there are losses na,
Ay, baka may
legacy
may
defining.
van yung TNT van sa labas ng
Dude, hey, if your wife is beside you telling you to shut up, I don't know what's happening right now, man. Genuinely in shock. But whatever. Graham is right. Whatever you want to talk about scalpers, man. Yeah, fuck scalpers. BTS concert, PBA game, UAAP game, I don't care. Man, just let us buy tickets. I swear on my life. Just let us buy tickets. Like, I get it. You need a way to live. But my God, man. Some of these prices are out of the moon. 3.5 for lower box? Hell no. Like, not even close, dude. 12K for courtside, dude. Not on any planet. And then for the, I'm gonna rant about the BTS concert because I'm so tired. BTS concert, 25K
May
sound
day
check
3
ticket.
na.
Yeah, may day 3 by the way. Again, people who reach this part of the video, if you know a way for me to get tickets that's valid, legal, and
Mag-aabang ako for day 3.
huh? Guys,
Magabang
please
ano.
help me out, man.
Bleachers
I am begging
lang,
you.
Bleachers 1 lang.
Uh,
Yung kailangan ko.
Hindi ko Bleachers 1 ako, man, SCVIP. But dude, like, what's this called? Scalpers, man, please, just give us, it's just so tiring, man. Like, let's be real, the PBA is for the fans, and most fans don't have the money to spend 4K on a ticket, man. Like, you're just ruining something that could be so great. And the same for like concerts and all that shit. Like, man, I don't know how we got to scalpers in this video, but it seemed like something that Graham really needed to talk about.
Nah, bro, I had to get it off my chest because the ticketing site of SM Tickets, man, it opened and everything sold out. Like, what's going on? So why did you open it?
Yeah, man, but you acting like the scalpers took your championship, bro. I don't know what.
No, bro. Again, I told you, it will be a one night stand of happiness for me after we win Game 7, diba? Because
It feels like a 30-minute one at this point.
still have the whole night, man. I still have to work. Yeah, you all can sleep. I'll work until 7:30 in the morning. But all I'm saying is,
Ours. Oh, man.
bro, we win. I'm happy. This is the first time in the pod that we won the championship, and that I'm with you guys. Pero hungry for more. Darius Days, your day's coming, man. Darius Days, George King.
Aminin mo
Your
takot
day's
kay
coming.
George King. Aminin mo takot kay George.
Me? I'm not.
George King with JMF?
No. Again, bro, with Justin Brownlee, I am safe. All right. Grem 617 with Justin Brownlee, I am at peace.
Wow.
That's a verse. Put it
Re,
in a shirt or something.
wala naman sabi si Mario, to be honest.
Congrats to them, bro, man. I mean, I'm happy. I'm sick, bro. I'm sick, pero I'm happy. You think we win next conference? Very early prediction. Yeah, we do. We
SMB,
go back.
very early prediction.
Bold prediction. We're going on a 5-peat.
Again, dude, I don't really care about next conference.
We're going on a
I'll
5-peat.
I'll care about it next video, man. Yeah.
We'll win a 5-peat.
Yeah.
Win this
Maybe when
conference, we
maybe
win
when
the
we
next
win
one,
5.
and then we win a Grand Slam next year.
Maybe when we win 5, you'll be happier that day.
No, bro. Alright. Yeah. Congrats to Debra. Finally, man. 3.5 years.
Baka mas better mood si Graham tomorrow. Baka feel ko may kulang kinain, may kulang sa vitamins si Graham. Di ako sanay, no?
Huh,
Nah,
bro,
I'm sick. I'm just sick, man.
he's sick, yeah. But yeah, nonetheless, man, really big.
Actually, may
Yeah,
sakit nga talaga si Graham. Actually,
Yeah, I'm sick.
that's only.
Because he has some leftover stuff nga in his throat, bro.
Tapos guys,
You know,
by the way, abangan.
I ate the cake kasi yung huling piece.
Let them
probably
eat
it.
cake. Hence Mario's post.
I ate yung last piece ng cake 2 weeks ago. So, is that?
Oo, kaya ka pala ganyan ngayon. Sira na. Sabi niya, sayang naman binili ko. Kainin ko na lang to.
Nah. But I'm happy we won.
Wait,
I'm
before
happy
we
deep
end,
inside.
no, gusto ko lang sabihin na we will have another recording tomorrow to discuss the trades, to discuss the, yun nga, in George King, what it means for SMB. And Mario, like, gave 4 topics, so we'll be prepared. We'll do it tomorrow or
we'll have a
Friday.
video tomorrow or Friday on.
Either June 18 or 19.
Yeah, on either number. We're gonna do topic on Mike Phillips.
Mike
to the
Phillips,
PK draft.
na nag-declare na siya.
Just like declare he hasn't declared yet. His brother declared for him. So I don't really know what that is. What else did you the trade between Will and Arvin. The trade between Jerick and Wami. And then may isa pa I forgot what the fourth one was. But
The imports of the next
yeah. Sila George King, Aaron
Buo na
Fuller.
ba? Buo na sila, I think, no? Yung imports. I'm not sure.
I
We can
don't
check.
know who Terraform's import is. Meron na ba? Alam mo na ba kung sino?
Oh.
I think I don't know.
Wala pa.
BJ Johnson, yung
What?
sa Phoenix. Phoenix imports, bro. So we have James Dickey and then you have BJ Johnson. I'm just saying.
Oo. Okay yung kung pwede sana dalawang import, no?
I'm just saying. Coach
So,
Charles.
sana.
man. Coach Charles, man.
You're onto something.
I'm noticing a pattern. I'm noticing a pattern. Grady Dick. You're,
Grady Dick, when your time with
I know
Toronto
your
is
next
done,
team.
Phoenix will come calling.
I know your next team, Grady Dick. Kevin
Fuel
Love.
Masters.
Kevin Love, Rudy Gay, yeah, all of y'all. I
Si
know
Hickey,
exactly
yun
where
sa
you are.
Australia. Sa Australia, si
James,
Hickey.
James, si Will Hickey.
Si
Will Hickey, man. I know a team that wants to hire you. I can name you a team that is willing to hire you on
Darren
name
Fox.
alone. On
Darren
name
Fox.
alone, brother. Like Darren Fox. Like on name alone, brothers. You don't even have to send in your highlight tape, man.
Ayun yung requirement kasi sa Converge kailangan marunong magkawampangan, di ba? So
Yeah,
sa
yung sa
Phoenix,
Converge may pangalan.
kailangan niya ba sa
Kapampangan pa ba dapat?
name?
Yung pag Phoenix, kailangan medyo sus yung pangalan mo. Ganun, yun.
Just sa simpa dapat ano,
Oo,
may
yung Ross, kailangan gwapo. Yung Converge, kailangan marunong magkapampangan. Yung ano pa ba, yung Hinebra, kailangan Justin Brownlee yung pangalan mo para maging import.
Yeah.
Yung SMB, pwede ka lang maging magaling kung ano ka, pang fourth ka na import for that conference. yung sa Phoenix, basta yung pangalan mo may onting ano men.
Yeah.
You're Colin Sexton. Welcome to the
Yeah,
Phoenix
Colin
Fuel Masters.
Pwede yun.
Colin Sexton. Man.
Sino ba? Si ano?
You all have time.
Sino yung black sa ano? sa
Bowl!
Bowl, pwede.
Bowl, you might be on your way to Phoenix, man. Basta, man, Phoenix, I'm looking out for you right now. There's a pattern. There's
You're
a pattern.
in the six-man
Phoenix.
pod watch. You're in the six-man
There's
pod
a
watch.
pattern, Phoenix.
Shout out to all Ginebra players, Ginebra fans, boss dudes.
Dude, this guy, by the way,
brother
si
Chris
Ram.
Gakutan, man. Roy Bueno, Andrew from Andres from Twitter, Jem Manawag, everyone, man. I love everyone tonight.
Bro, si Ravso, bro, shout out. He tagged us twice to shout him out. So I will do that. So, brother, shout out
I
to you.
didn't see it.
Tagged us so many times. Shout out to you. And then to all those Cineber fans and even TNT fans, man. Si Romel, shout out kay Romel, man. He's a good TNT fan.
Oh
Romel is-
yeah, oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know who I
Yeah,
won't
actually, it's a
shout
really
out?
good one nga yeah, si Romel, yeah.
You know who I will not shout out? Alfred, brother, you are on thin ice with me, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Alfred. Alam mo, the mere fact of his name, enough na kay Alfred Mario. You just
Bro,
gave him
alam mo
another,
yung hindi ko naiintindihan sa SMB
gave him another
fans.
love.
Sa SMB fans, when they're up against TNT, we support them. Di ba? Like,
Why?
let's go SMB, kahit tinalo nyo kami sa semis, we support them. And we pick them against TNT every time. Pero pag TNT Ginebra, what's going on? Where's the brotherhood, man?
Bro, si Alfred, bro, your eyes is so thin. You were supporting Ross, you were
Feel ko
supporting
isa na lang.
TNT.
Feel ko isa na lang.
Alfred, malapit ka na talaga, brother. If you support New Zealand against Philippines, alam mo na.
Ay, actually, parang
Maghanap
feel ko naman hindi. Alam ko hindi naman siya.
Bro, you'd never know with that guy.
He'll throw a
when we were-
curveball, no?
Bro, when we were talking about the trades kanina and everything, he said the
Si
first
Paulo
thing he
Hernandez.
brought up was Paulo Hernandez. He didn't mention Jerry Hamnisi. He didn't mention George King. He
Paulo
went Paulo
Hernandez.
Hernandez. So, man, Alfred, malapit ka na. Again, like Nico said at the start, don't forget to join our group. We literally talk to everybody there. You may not like how we respond to you, though. I'm not gonna lie. That we have our days where we do
We
not
have our days.
we have our days where we are not taking shit. But it's generally a fun community.
It is. And when we win our 5-peat, man,
Oh.
that'd be lovely. Telling you, we're winning a 5-peat.
5 feet. I don't. Well. Mananalo
Doing
kayo,
natin eh.
pero I don't think you're gonna get a 5 feet.
We will get a 5-peat.
With Mike,
Okay.
Let's go. Exactly. That's what I'm telling
With
you,
Mike
man.
na, di mo
That's
naman
what I'm
kilinarify
telling you.
eh. Di mo naman kilinarify.
with Mike, with Mike, with
Wait.
Dwight, with Kiefer, with 30, with
Lahat, ah.
UMB,
Lahat naman to say.
with
Yeah,
You
and I
guys
want
really
everyone
need help.
traded. Ralph Koo, Maya, and Stephen Holt for a package, man. Give it up. Give it up.
Ralph Koo,
Let him
Stephen
shine somewhere
Holt,
else.
Jeremiah Gray, for kay Manila Adi, Dom Escobar, and Kian Baclaan.
Sama yun na rin si Raymond Aguilar.
3-4-3. Oh, hindi. Bata namin yun.
Hindi pwede.
Ay, ako para the
Bro.
system nga pala yun. Sila ni Nards.
Nards and Raymond Aguilar are the system. If I
Pero si
may
Nards
remind.
yung talagang may nagagawa pa rin talaga eh. Kay Raymond Aguilar.
Raymond din naman, nanginginis siya ng tao.
Actually, Mr. Never Heard. Sino yung pinaka-latest na isa?
Si JJ.
Mr. Who Are You? Who are
JJ.
you? Mr.
Tawag dun, Mr. Hindi ko malalaman.
I don't even know you?
Si Never Heard.
Mr.
Eh, never heard kay GDL.
Kay GDL.
Meron siya something with Jalen eh. May sinabi si Jalen sa kanya. I don't know who you are or Mr. I don't know you.
That guy's beefing with everyone. That's probably Mitch Asuncion in real life. But
Okay, anyway. Follow
5 feet
5-star
coming.
ratings. Follow 5-star ratings Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you guys for the next episode on Friday. Or June 19. Or
Adios,
Yeah.
amigos.
peace.
Whew, finally, man. Finally.